Researchers tested 100,000 humans against modern AI in a head-to-head comparison of cognitive skills, revealing a shift in the boundary between human and machine capabilities. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed a measure of machine intelligence called the imitation game. It was a test of mimicry. Can a computer impersonate human intelligence well enough to fool a blind interrogator? As of 2025, models like GPT 4.5 have officially reached that milestone. In controlled studies, AI successfully fooled interrogators 73% of the time, leading them to believe they were interacting with a human being. When a machine reliably mimics human behavior, the distinction between a technical tool and a functional replacement begins to blur. For decades, we viewed creativity, the ability to connect distant or irrational concepts, as a trait machines could never replicate. A large-scale study recently measured this ability by having 100,000 people generate concepts as far apart in meaning and context as possible. This tested associative thinking, the ability to jump between distant ideas without walking down familiar mental paths. This chart maps those 100,000 human creativity scores along a standard bell curve. When researchers ran the same test on modern language models, the AI landed decisively past the median line, outperforming the average human score. These results suggest that tasks requiring moderate associative thinking no longer sit safely behind a human-only wall. The creative baseline has shifted. Looking closer at the data from that same study reveals a different reality. While the AI outperformed the average participant, it struggled when matched against the top 10% of creative humans. As human creativity reaches this upper tier, the AI hits a plateau. It reaches a threshold it cannot cross, regardless of the processing power applied. The data shows that AI is a statistical engine operating within the constraints of its training data, rather than an unbounded intelligence. This limitation exists because AI relies on divergent exploration. It calculates the mathematical distance between tokens without an actual understanding of their real-world significance. The training process introduces specific cognitive biases that force these models into rigid patterns of behavior. The gullibility bias causes an AI to instantly change a correct answer if a user forcefully tells the machine it is wrong. In the empathy bias, AI models are trained to be helpful, often resulting in overly positive, repetitive encouragement, regardless of whether the situation requires it. These biases demonstrate that while AI can simulate a conversation, it lacks the contextual judgment needed for real-world reliability. There is also a significant void in the machine's worldview. AI training data represents a small portion of human knowledge, often ignoring 80% of the world's languages, oral traditions, and lived experiences. This creates a gap between the act of generating text and the act of judging it. An algorithm can draft a script to fire an employee, but it cannot feel the emotional weight of a grieving worker or read the subtle tension in a room. AI is programmed to be agreeable, yet human progress often requires navigating friction, egos, and heated debate to find the truth. AI can calculate infinite variations, but it cannot decide which option is morally or emotionally correct. By 2026, the professional landscape will rely on a partnership where the machine generates raw material and the human provides direction. Success in this environment requires stepping into the role of the editor, filtering and refining the massive output produced by machines. Confusing the volume of AI ideas with actual value risks intellectual stagnation. When raw exploration becomes cheap and abundant, the ability to evaluate and select what matters becomes the scarcest commodity in the market. The most valuable skills going forward are ancient, navigating complex conflicts, questioning data, and demonstrating moral courage. This relies on taste, an intuition shaped by culture and experience that identifies when an idea genuinely resonates, a quality machines cannot calculate. AI provides infinite possibilities on demand, but meaning remains a uniquely human creation. The future belongs to those who stop trying to compete with machines and double down on being human.